Backsolving Magic. Crack GRE Math Problems. Hello learners. Today, we're diving into a fantastic strategy to tackle some of the trickier GRE quantitative problems. It's called backsolving. Let's discover how this method can turn difficult problems into more manageable ones. Backsolving is a technique where you use the answer choices given to you to work backward and find the correct answer. Instead of solving the problem traditionally, you test out the answers provided until you find the one that fits the question. Imagine you have a lock, but instead of finding the right combination, you already have a set of keys, answer choices. You just need to find which key, or answer, fits the lock, or question. Not all problems are suitable for backsolving. This strategy works best for 1. Multiple choice questions where answers are provided. 2. Problems that seem complex or time-consuming when approached traditionally. 3. When the answer choices are numbers, especially if they're listed in ascending or descending order. 1. Read the question carefully. Understand what you're being asked. 2. Choose an answer choice to test. It's often best to start with the middle option if the answers are in numerical order, as it allows you to determine if you need to go higher or lower based on your result. 3. Work backward using the chosen answer to see if it fits the information given in the question. 4. Repeat with different choices if the initial guess does not fit. Remember to eliminate wrong answers as you go. 5. Select the answer once you've found the choice that fits the problem correctly. 1. Saves time. Instead of getting stuck on complex calculations, you can quickly test out answer choices. 2. Boosts confidence. Even if you're unsure about the traditional method, backsolving offers an alternative approach. 3. Reduces errors. By verifying with the answer choices, you can often catch and correct mistakes in your calculations. Backsolving is a powerful tool in your GRE preparation toolkit. While it's not always the best approach for every question, in the right situations, it can be a game changer. We hope this strategy helps you tackle GRE quantitative problems with greater ease and confidence. Happy studying, and best of luck on your GRE journey.